Michael with JMT here. We're going to go ask JC what his favorite factory feature is to mini trucks and why. What's your favorite factory feature to a mini truck and why?
Favorite factory feature and why? Well, I'm going to go with four-wheel drive with a high-low transfer case. That's going to be my number one must-have in a mini truck, depending on the brand and make and model. Well, I guess it really depends on what you're going to do with the truck. If you're going to have something like this here, a nice little going to town rig, I would recommend having at least air conditioning and power steering. Power steering's it's iffy, but AC is a top priority in mine and most of everyone else's. Check boxes to mark off when you're going to go buy one. So air conditioning and having a four-wheel drive system with a high-low transfer case like every other model does except for Honda and Subaru. If you're going to be doing off-roading, riding trails, hauling weight, so many things to do with a mini truck that you're going to need a lower gear ratio. And to be able to put it in four-wheel drive, push it up in four-low, and climb that steep hill, or maybe you want to put a round bale of hay in it and ease it out into your field. I mean, there's so many different things to consider with a factory option. But for me personally, I would go with a Mitsubishi with obviously four-wheel drive, air conditioning, and power steering. And power steering on these trucks are hydraulic, so unlike this Honda, the Daihatsu sitting behind you, the S210, pretty much every one of them have electronic power steering, where these are traditional hydraulic, going to give you the most power out of your steering as possible. So yeah, that's what I would do. Absolutely. Anything else while we're here?
No.
You just wanted to know the factory options that I prefer? Okay. Yeah, that's the truck I would prefer if I'm going to have one. The U62, 99 to 13, AC power steering, four-wheel drive. And then you can do lift kits, and there's a lot more things you can do with this truck versus building it and adding on to it than this one. And it has better power steering. AC is AC. It's all R134 and all of them. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to go with. So I hope that answers your question.
It did.
Okay. All right. I guess he'll sneak up on me again sometime and surprise me, not talk to me at all about what we're doing. So, yeah, you guys have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.